Every year, German Academic Exchange Service, or DAAD or DAAD, supports many international students and researchers around the world, making it the world's largest funding organization of its kind. DAAD scholarships are aimed primarily at graduate, doctoral students and postdocs and are awarded for study and research at universities and non-university research institutions in Germany. The scholarships are designed to support talented students or students who have financial problems to support their studies in German universities. The scholarships are granted mainly based on academic, social, or personal characteristics and provide you with a specific amount of financial support. In most cases, you are provided with a fully funded grant or scholarships. In some programs, internships are also considered and funded. An internship or work placement aims to give students the opportunity to gain experience outside university or college by working in business and industry or in public authorities. And internships are a compulsory part of many degree programs. If you like to study or carry out research or learn German language in Germany, and you are looking for receiving fund and having access to the best study and research opportunities in Germany, then look no further. Welcome back everybody. Thanks for choosing to watch this video. My name is Ahmed Reza, and here at Persia Global, we help those who are in search of better opportunities to work, live or study abroad. In this video, I'm going to share the most recent updates on study in Germany with government fully funded scholarships and grants, and details of applying for the scholarships that are funded and managed by DAAD, the German Academic Exchange Service. While benefits, requirements and selection criteria vary for each DAAD scholarship program, the overall minimum eligibility and application guidelines remain almost the same. So in this video, I will try to give you a general overview, also help you clear up your general confusion over details of this great opportunity for study in Germany. If this is your first time being here, subscribe to our channel, and for getting informed of new uploads, hit the notification bell. With more than 100,000 DAAD scholarships awarded each year, international students get a chance to pursue their master's, doctoral and postdoctoral studies at minimum cost. Currently, recipients of different scholarships get a monthly allowance of at least 861 euros for the duration of their studies in Germany. If you're willing to be one of them, then take the chance and enroll yourself in master's and PhD level programs. The DAAD scholarships aim to gather all talented students from newly industrialized and developing countries in all disciplines and promote a better future. For instance, Indian students are eligible for 25 DAAD scholarships out of almost 178 scholarships options available for their selection. Of course, the number of available scholarships may change depending on funding plans of organizations and sponsors. Eligible applicants must have completed their prior degree with a minimum aggregate of 85%, that I will explain about this item more. Each candidate must have at least 2 years of work experience. It could be in case of field research, employment, or even graduate or teaching assistantship. Payments of health insurance and travel expenses are also covered for all the recipients of DAAD scholarships. Applicants must receive an invitation letter from their supervisors at eligible German university. So to receive this scholarship, you should first be eligible for a university course which is also eligible to receive DAAD scholarship. That might be slightly varied in case of eligibility criteria for that course from that university. For instance, one university may accept other language certificates the same as IELTS or TOEFL with a different score acceptable for their admission process. And also, to complete their admission requirements, some colleges and universities require you to get an invitation letter from a supervisor professor. That for some universities, after this, you can apply for DAAD scholarships. Check to see when the DAAD applications are open. Start preparing your essays and proposal if you want to apply for the scholarship program. All the applications should be made online and submitted before the deadline. You can apply for the program before the application deadline that is specified under the application procedure tab. If you have completed your previous degree from an English language institute, in most cases you don't need to provide IELTS or TOEFL test. DAAD scholarships do not have to be paid back. They usually consist of a monthly scholarship payments, currently 861 euros for graduates and 1,200 euros for doctoral or PhD students, and a flat rate travel allowance. All the expenses of flight tickets are included. In many cases, DAAD also provides you with health, accident, and personal liability insurance, and insurance that is paid in the event that you cause damage to persons or objects. Depending on a scholarship program, there are also additional benefits such as one-time or one-off research allowance, family benefits, or funds for language courses. The benefits offered by the respective scholarship program are described in the call for applications in the scholarship database with a link below this video. You can find information about DAAD scholarship programs. There are currently almost 178 scholarships options for your selection. You can find based on your level of study for undergraduate, graduate, or for research and postgraduate studies based on your country of origin and your field of study. All disciplines are funded and based on your intention for study or internship or research, PhD or language course. To be eligible for the German DAAD scholarship program, you must meet the eligibility criteria that is basically designed for that specific program. The eligibility criteria enormously vary. However, there are a few basic requirements for DAAD scholarships which all applicants must satisfy. For language skills, English language proficiency with a minimum IELTS score of 6.5 or equivalent in other language certificates is required. You can find out what language certificates you need when you apply for a scholarship in the application procedure section of the applications portal. Knowledge of German language is not mandatory but highly recommended, especially if you could prove a B1 German language proficiency. It can also help you guarantee getting your visa from German embassies in your home country. In most cases, there is a reimbursement or repayment of the fee for a TestDaF or a DSH test, which you can take either in your home country after you have received your letter of award of scholarship, or you can take it in Germany during your funding period. It could be an allowance for a personally chosen German language course during the scholarship period. To allow you to improve your language skills in preparation for your stay in Germany, the DAAD offers some benefits, and that I'll explain about them in the rest of this video. So please stay tuned until the end of the video. Another eligibility criteria is academic grades or overall scores. Minimum aggregate or minimum collective scores of 8.5 CGPA or 85% or equivalent, depending upon the applied degree, is required to get eligibility from most of scholarships. You should obtain an NOC or no objection certificate from your home institution or university if you're from India or Nepal and you're applying for exchange or short-term research program. Work experience is another eligibility criteria. A minimum of 2 years of work experience, research work, teaching, or graduate assistantship is needed for the DAAD scholarship. Submit a short 500 to 1,000 word research proposal or SOP, statement of purpose, the very letter of intent. In some cases, a CV is sufficient. Your CV should be in tabular format, as many in Germany accept this type of CV or resume formats. Note, apart from fulfilling these requirements, prospective applicants must also hold proof of accommodation for visa insurance. You should also note that DAAD scholarship doesn't cover university tuition fees, and as you may know, most of the German state universities are tuition free except from the university and colleges of the 2 German states. All of the universities and colleges are tuition free institutions. So let's see how the application process is done. Application procedures may vary depending on scholarship program. To find out where and how to apply, please read the application procedure section of the call for applications in the scholarship database at www.funding/guide.de with a link below our video. You can also seek advice if you have any questions. You can contact persons often in your area are listed under contact and advice link. A list of locations and contact data from the DAAD network is available in their database website. Please find the very link in our description section too. You have to apply online. To do this, you must register in the DAAD portal in the scholarship database. First, select your chosen scholarship program and then the tab submit application. Note that this tab is only shown during an ongoing application period. The closing date for applications is indicated in the applications procedure tab. The application process for the majority of DAAD scholarships takes place in 2 steps. 1. Complete the online application form and upload the documents. 2. Send a copy of the application form to the DAAD office via post. Let's discuss these steps in detail. Step 1. Beginning with the online application process, it is simple, direct, and takes about 30 minutes. Applications are to be made via DAAD portal, which opens around 6 weeks before the scholarship application deadlines. Once you have completed the application form, upload the following supplementary documents like online application form, curriculum vitae or CV, no objection certificate filled in and stamped by the previous institution for Indian nationals, invitation letter of German supervisor, university degree and certificates. Note the first and the last name in the application form should be identical to the name in the applicant's passport. Step 2 is that after submitting the form and uploading the supporting documents, candidates will be directed to another page wherein they can verify their application package and download PDF file. Mail the following documents to your nearest DAAD office. 1 copy of the application summary, which is generated in the portal in PDF format, and recent reference letters from previous university teachers. Your application is only complete if you submit all the application documents listed in the applications portal. With the exception of reference and work samples, in case of artists, these documents must be uploaded to the DAAD portal and references must be submitted by post if they are required in the applications portal. Artistic work samples are uploaded via a media database. You will receive an upload link as indicated in the applications portal. In some cases, individual documents, for example, university certificate, may be submitted at a later date if this is explicitly permitted in the program's applications portal. Some general documents required are all previous transcripts, degrees, results, your certificates and transcripts, lists of grades do not have to be certified for your application, of course not initially. DAAD reserves the right to request certified documents after a positive selection decision has been made. Other documents are research proposal, passport size photographs, CV or resume, cover letter, a study plan, 2 original recommendation letters, a statement of purpose or letter of intent. Unless otherwise stated in the applications portal, you can submit your application either in German or English. Please note that application documents that are not in German or English, for example, university certificates, must be translated either into German or English. The point is that the translations do not have to be certified for the application procedure, and you may do the translations yourself. But when it comes to visa acquisition, you for sure need certified translations of your documents. And finally, as soon as you have submitted your application online, you will automatically receive confirmation that your application has been successfully submitted and an email informing you that a message has been sent to you via the portal's messaging system. So let's see how selection process is taken. All DAAD scholarships have their own set of selection committees which evaluate each application comprehensively. This committee may be established locally, for example, in India for Indian students, or in Germany, depending upon the scholarship program. Selections are primarily based on the following factors: your quality of the project, your academic achievements, the duration of your research or field work, and your research proposal or work experience. While there are no interview sessions, depending on the scholarship program and the applicant's location, a personal introduction may be required. For the last part of this video, I'm going to clear up around German language skill that is really critical for many applicants, especially for those who also wish to work or stay longer in Germany. To allow you to improve your language skills in preparation for your stay in Germany, the DAAD offers the following benefits: payment of course fees for an online language course after receipt of the scholarship award. If necessary, German language course 2, 4, or 6 months before the start of the study visit in Germany. The DAAD decides whether to fund participation and for how long, depending on German language skills and project. Participation in a language course is compulsory if the study program is taught in German. In case of pandemics, German courses may also take place online. Allowance for a personally chosen German language course during the scholarship period. And as I mentioned earlier, the reimbursement or repayment of the fee for a TestDaF or DSH test, which you can take either in your home country after you have received your letter of scholarship award, or in Germany during your funding period. Thanks once again for watching this video. I tried to give you a general overview on DAAD scholarship and clear up some confusion over it. If you need more information, please visit their website or contact the local office of DAAD scholarship in your home country. In Persia Global, we are going to help those people who are looking for better opportunities in countries other than their own home country. If this is your first time being here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hope this video could help you on your immigration or relocation journey. As always, pin all your hopes always on God. You will never be pinned down by man. Until next video, over and out.